To redeem Cookie Run Kingdom codes, start by accessing the official redemption website through a link provided elsewhere. Once on the site, enter your DevPlay ID and the 16-digit code into the designated fields. Then click the Claim Reward button. A successful redemption notification will appear, directing you to launch the game to claim your rewards. If you're unsure where to find your DevPlay ID, begin by launching the game and navigating to its home interface. Click on the three-lined icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu, and then click on Info in the subsequent Settings menu. On the Info page, locate the User Info section, where your DevPlay ID will be displayed as the player ID. By following these simple steps, you can easily redeem your Cookie Run Kingdom codes and claim your rewards.